Food engineering. Food engineering is a scientific, academic, and professional field that interprets and applies principles of engineering, science, and mathematics to food manufacturing and operations, including the processing, production, handling, storage, conservation, control, packaging, and distribution of food products. Given its reliance on food science and broader engineering disciplines such as electrical, mechanical, civil, chemical, industrial, and agricultural engineering, food engineering is considered a multidisciplinary and narrow field. There is a picture of bread factory in Germany. Due to the complex nature of food materials, food engineering also combines the study of more specific chemical and physical concepts such as biochemistry, microbiology, food chemistry, thermodynamics, transport phenomena, rheology, and heat transfer. Food engineers apply this knowledge to the cost effective design, production, and commercialization of sustainable, safe, nutritious, healthy, appealing, affordable, and high quality ingredients and foods, as well as to the development of food systems, machinery, and instrumentation. Food engineers design and develop systems for production, processing, distributing, and storing food and agricultural materials. Applications include food safety and quality, biorefining, pharmaceuticals, and environmentally friendly packaging. Why do we study food engineering? The Department of Food Engineer and Technology prepares students to cater to the ever increasing demand of various facets of food in business and industry. Nowadays, food consumers are more conscious about their food and health requirements. So that's all about food engineering.